Hello everyone, in this video I will show you how to fix no GPS signals on Samsung Galaxy A25. So to fix this issue, first of all open settings. Now in settings, scroll down and click on location. Now here in location, click on location services. And here turn on Wi-Fi scanning. If you have turned this button off, then turn it back on. And after that go back and here click on app permissions. Now in app permissions scroll down and here click on maps and allow all the time. Allow location permission to maps, and after that go back to settings again and here click on apps. Now in apps scroll down and here click on weather. And here in weather scroll down and click on battery. Now here select unrestricted.